This is Scott Becker with the Becker Private Equity and Business Podcast. This is a discussion of AT&T and Disney. Here are two companies taking a little bit on the chin. We talk a lot about Disney because it's just so fascinating to watch between its streaming business, its park business, and everything else. In any event, Disney is near a 52-week low in terms of their stock as they're having a hard time turning everything into the commercial value that they want to turn it into. Their streaming service for a little bit was hitting a home run and growing so quickly. That growth has slowed. Again, we did a big podcast yesterday, and the jury is still out on Bob Iger and Disney. But Disney's near, again, a 52-week low again. So we'll see how that continues to play through. AT&T. If you think a 52-week low is bad, AT&T is now having the potential exposure to lead in their lines, lead in their cable and wiring lines and so forth. Nobody knows how big a challenge this could end up being for them. But one of the things that we've seen is AT&T stock fell almost 7% yesterday and is also at near a 3 decades low, which is really an amazing thing to think about how mighty, how much the sort of wired giants, the AT&Ts, well, they've done a great job of becoming a wireless phone carrier too, of course, but they're still reliant a lot on cables and wires and everything else, and how after they're now close to, again, a 3 decades low in their stock price after another horrendous day in the stock market yesterday. So again, the story of Disney sort of trying to find footing, AT&T at a 3 decades low, never easy, a fascinating thing to watch. Thank you for listening to us on the Becker Private Equity and Business Podcast. If you're the first person to listen to this and you've not sent in for a free gift certificate in a while, we're happy to send you a $100 Amazon gift certificate again. And also let us know if you like the podcast, the discussion topic of these two companies really sort of fighting challenges, AT&T and Disney. Thank you for listening to the Becker Private Equity and Business Podcast.